Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing you today this brand new Land Rover Discovery Sport Landmark Edition finished in Hakuba Silver. This 2026 petrol plug-in hybrid comes with a 1.5 P270e engine and is paired to a 12.17kWh battery. The large front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night. And this car stands on 20-inch alloy wheels with the gloss black design. Stepping into the back of the car, we can find the Ebony Perforated DuoLeather seats with the matching Ebony interior and contrasting Lunar grey stitching. We can find ISOFIX points as well as a fold-down armrest, which does house 2 cup holders as well as a storage tray. And backseat passengers can also utilise their own climate control vent with 2 USB-C ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of that Ebony interior with some highlighting accents on the dash and door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically operated, including lumbar support. Now taking a closer look at the multifunctional 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel, we can find controls on the left for the virtual cockpit, voice control and hands-free telephone, and on the right for the heated steering wheel as well as the cruise control system. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference, including 1 and 2 dial as well as map, media and driving assistance. Speaking of map, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby charging and fuel stations. We can access radio with FM and DAB and connect wirelessly to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and we can access the 3D camera and satellite imagery to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below are 2 USB-C ports and a charging space for your phone as well as a covered storage pocket. Behind the centre console are 2 exposed cup holders, and the armrest can also be lifted up to reveal further storage inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this brand new Land Rover Discovery Sport Landmark Edition. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.